and today I am going to give a seminar on the topic 3D intelligence. So I am going to give a brief overview on the concept of 3D intelligence, which includes introduction, disadvantage of 2D intelligence, 3D intelligence, what is 3D intelligence, why we need it, and how we use it, and the next is conclusion. So the introduction part. 3D internet is evolving to become a cyberspace. It's becoming a virtual environment for us where a person or organization interacting with each other or exchanging their information. And the World Wide Web from government was increased to fulfill virtual environment. Earlier, the World Wide Web used to represent documents. Now it is creating a full-fledged virtual environment. And next is my goals. In 3D internet, my goal is to analyze the trends and discuss research agenda as well as raise interest in networking, security, and distributed computing. Now the disadvantage of 2D internet. Why we use 3D internet? Because in the 2D internet there were some disadvantages like viruses, security problems, mortality, filtration of information, inaccuracy of information, wastage of time, and English problems. These are the disadvantages due to which we need the 3D internet. Means there are viruses. In 2D internet we face many types of viruses as well as there may be in many folders, in many files we face the security problems, immortality, filtration of information. There is no any way to filter the information in the 2D internet and inaccurate information. Sometimes when a client send any information or data to another customer, then due to the transformation of the information, the information may be something is inaccurate, go in a way and something happened with that and it becomes inaccurate. So and wastage of time means it is not too much speed as we need because time is too precious for us. And last one is English language problems. So if any person doesn't know the English, then it will create the problems to access the 2D intelligence. 3D internet, trends and concepts. So what 3D internet is provide? 3D internet creates a virtual environment where it will provide services, interaction and communication between the persons and the organizations. Virtual worlds. Virtual worlds means second life, where person organization exchanging their information. And Entropia universe, the Simpsons, Entropia universe means it is measurement to provide the measurement that where the disk organization is happening. And social network extended MySpace, Web 2.0, it's a version of 3D internet. Web as distributed computing platform. Here it gives the Ajax-based application, Java-based application like that. It gives the Ajax-based application. 3D internet enabling factor. What it makes to enable the 3D internet. First of all, availability of cheap hardware. It is uses the cheap hardware for interacting with the 3D internet and emerging output like video hardware. And third is emerging input device like 3D connections, displays and actuators. It provides a connection to the 3D internet. 3D internet, why we use the 3D internet? The 3D internet, first of all, we can say if we access the 2D internet on our system, it is just like searching a document in a phone directly. We are not interacting, we are not feeling that it is happening with us. We are just reading the things which is coming to us. So, to give internet, but it has the data storage and computing and script. It can store your data in the scriptings also. Latency minimization means it is providing more reliance to the graphical user. So obviously it will increase the minimization. It will decrease the minimization of latency and security and trust. It provides a better security.
Okay.
Any question?
What is the difference between the networking and distributing computing? That's it.
Networking means we are connecting to one computer to another computer. That can be done by a wireless or wire cable. And distributed computing means there is a one client or maybe another server. Means if one is here, then the another client may be another place and the another may be another place.
13. Okay. Good.
Very